In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Gemini Spark. So Gemini Spark is your 24 by 7 personal AI agent, and it's help you to navigate your digital life. You can give it a task and it will work 24/7 in the background, even your phone and laptop is turned off. So how to use Gemini Spark right now? If I install it here, you will get more details what it can do, and you can see it is the most complex to do and done. And if I scroll a little bit, here is the frequent questions. So where can I get Gemini Spark? So to access it, actually you need to have a Google AI Ultra account or Google AI Pro account. How you can get access it? So for this, actually here you can see the documentation using Gemini Spark to manage your tasks and workflow in Gemini apps. So inside Gemini apps you can able to use it, and here is the requirement you need to be follow to use Gemini Spark. Here you need to be aged 18 or over, and you must have a Gemini app with your personal Google account. And the most important requirement is that you must have a AI Pro and Ultra subscription. If you don't have, you can buy it. Okay. So now let me show you how to use Gemini Spark. So for this, at first you will log into your Gemini account. So here is my account. You can see gemini.google.com, and I am using a pro account here. So now you can see the Gemini Spark is here in beta release. You can use it. So here is how it works. Spark is experimental, so you must be aware of it. Don't share sensitive information here. You must be use it by your own risk. Okay, let me click use Spark, and right now you can see inside Gemini app you can able to use Spark, and here you can give a task to it. For example, here are some suggestions: deep dive on a topic, get a custom news digest, and clutter your inbox. So you can just simply give it a task and it will automatically work for you 24 by 7. And if you want to get more customization, here you can see you can do a schedule. Here with the help of Gemini you can create your schedule by manually from here, and then here you will have a skills tab. So right now we can connect different type of skills here. You can just click skills with the help of Gemini, and you can also upload it manually. So next thing is that connected apps. So here you can see most popular apps are available. So Google Workspace is available, Google Photo, YouTube Music, Gemini Notebook, Canva, Contact, Dropbox. So Favor Wix is also available. So this is the way. If you need to use customs app, you can also do it by following this way. Put your MCP server here and it will be work. Okay, so now let me try. So what we can do, that we can just create a new task here, and we will say what I'll do: create a schedule for me. This is a client meeting at 9 p.m. on August 2026. Okay, let me click here, and now you can see thinking and start working on it. It's connect to Google Calendar here, and then so here you can see I have scheduled the event on your calendar, and this is the event details. Okay, so by following a way you can just use Gemini Spark from your Gemini app. So if this video helpful, just subscribe to my channel for latest AI update. Thank you.